Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable battery percentage on iPhone. That is, as you can see, my battery is not showing me any percentage. That is, I do not know the percentage I have on my iPhone. Whether my iPhone battery is in 10%, 20% charging, 50% charging. I don't know the percentage I have on my battery. So how do you activate this to be able to know how to use your iPhone battery efficiently, to know how to charge, to know when your battery gets to 10%, 20%, 30%, and fully charged? So what you want to do is very simple. You want to go to your settings icon. So let's go to my settings. So this is the settings of my iPhone. So once you arrived in your settings, I want you to scroll down and tap on battery. So once you tap on battery, I want you to check the top here. Before we do anything, check my battery again. You can see I have no percentage showing on it. So you can see the top here, we have battery percentage. You can see this is turned off. So I want you to tap on this to turn it on. So once you tap on this, so once you tap on it, it will turn this on. As you can see, now check the battery again. You can see we have 31% battery showing right now. But before we turn this on, it was not showing anything. So guys, this is how you can actually turn on the battery percentage on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.